Rachel will be up. We just pick up and see.
The jury acquitted, which is a bit sad, simply because the officers put so much work into the case. But there's justice working for you. It shows that it's balanced. The jury listened to the directions of the judge, and no doubt they decided that the video evidence was of such a quality that they could look at the defendant in the dock, look at the video themselves, and they must have concluded that they couldn't be sure it was the defendant, so how on earth could the police officer be sure? That's the only explanation I can give. But it shows you how balanced the system is. Well, it's only natural to feel disappointed, but, you know, you pick yourself up and you get on with the next case. I've already been given my brief for tomorrow, so I'm back here in this court doing the trial of the issue. So I'm going to go back to chambers and read that now.
It's the day of Kat's call to the bar, and the biggest in Middle Temple's 400-year history.
Call these, please, to Parliament Chamber. Under the archway, Parliament Chamber. You must have been there.
222 people will sign up today on the table made from Sir Francis Drake's ship, the Golden Hind.
Just move your head for me, lovely. Finally. There we go.
Excellent.
Thank
Thank you very much. Apparently everyone else has got it different to me. Everyone else has got a part here, mine's just there.
Yeah, that's fine. That's what you mean. Some of the ladies have got, they're like a bib, which you have to buy, but I can tighten it up for you.
Yes, please.
Is that okay?
Yeah, so is this what most people are for?
You can have either, doesn't matter. Yeah,
okay.
But I can tighten it up for you, it's not a problem.
And also, something about the hairline, which I haven't been told, which I feel like I need to be told.
What's that?
I don't know.
With the wig,
They
you're not allowed
said.
to have any hair showing at the front, so you need to tuck all that hair behind the wig.
I think call night's a very special night because you've got everyone with their families celebrating their endeavour, celebrating their success. But, you know, it's a real turning point in people's careers and lives. And I think there's a sort of great feeling of joy and ceremony. It's a bit like a university degree ceremony with a professional vocational element, followed by something to eat and drink afterwards.
The huge growth in the number of new barristers means the competition for work is greater than ever, but Kat and her friends are determined to succeed.
What are you doing again, barrister? I would do that, all that. But even if we do get people into now, it's going to be for 2009 at the earliest. It's a bit like the lottery, someone's going to win.
There's slightly higher chance than the lottery, only slightly.
Sometimes it's a rollover though, so, you know. That's true.
Good afternoon. Well, the real business of the afternoon, obviously, is first of all for me to welcome you to the final half hour of your existence as student members of the Middle Temple, because before the evening is concluded you'll all be barristers, which is a nice thought, isn't it? And the real point of the afternoon.
Piercy, Jessica Law, Ramona Sims.
But as the new generation waits to be called to the bar, one student has missed out. Anna's results mean she can't yet collect her wig and gown.
doesn't go well at all. I have to resit my civil exam next Easter. And I think, I don't know, I'm just really surprised, and I don't know where I've gone wrong. I really don't know. I just messed everything up, which is incredibly annoying because I failed it by 2 questions. But it affects my call night because it's next Easter.
It is my duty and privilege as Master Reader to present to you those students of this honourable and learned society whose proposals for call to the degree of the utter bar have been authorised by Parliament. Master Treasurer, I present Stephen Mark Corrin.
Mr. Corrin, in the name of the Masters of the Bench, I call you to the degree of the utter bar.
Master Treasurer, I present Miss Catherine Piercy.
Miss Piercy, in the name of the Masters of the Bench, I call you to the degree of the utter bar.
Master Treasurer, I present Miss Jessica Law.
I'm nearly a barrister. I am a barrister now. Ooh, that's so exciting.
Now, this is the one occasion when you get a kiss.
Oh, thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. This is my mother.
Nice to see you. Hello, hello. How are you? Nice to see you. What a great day. It's an absolutely critical point in their career because as of today, they are barristers. They'll now start their pupilages, those of them that have managed to find them, and those that haven't will carry on the process of looking whilst working in other areas.
Of the 4 students, Joe Darby is the only one to have secured a pupillage. Iqbal may have passed his exams, but he can't become a barrister until he's attended his 12 qualifying sessions.
You regret it?
In the next programme, the pursuit of pupillage becomes ever more challenging.
Give us a 2-minute potted history of your life.
Oh, I went to a very nice school on a scholarship, and now I work for an office furniture company. Is that a high point?
God, I wish I drank alcohol again. I could do the whiskey. I've never had one.
And what's in store if they succeed? Brokering the value of a marriage.
If I speak completely bluntly, I think it would be foolish of you not to make an offer, to try. I'm not saying she'll accept 10. I mean, look, I'm talking myself out of a 3-day job. I'll probably end up out of court those 3 days, so there's no benefit to me in you settling this.
The Open University has produced a free booklet featuring momentous legal cases which have changed the way we live. To get a copy, go to bbc.co.uk/barristers or phone 0870 900 0303.
What can the G20 summit really achieve this weekend without the next leader of the world's economic superpower? And at 11, John Wilson and guests discuss DiCaprio and Crowe in the spy thriller Body of Lies.
Before that, Terry Wogan swapped studios for a special QI, next tonight on BBC Two.